everybody, hope you're all well. Let's have a look at a little story. Let's read it together. 5 flowers are in one bunch. How many flowers are in 4 bunches? Alright, so what's important here? 5 flowers are in one bunch. Now remember, a bunch is when you go to the shops and you buy one bunch of flowers, and they are lots of flowers together in one bunch. In this case, in this story, there are 5 flowers in one bunch. So if I had to draw that, the flowers, okay, I'm going to do a quick drawing. So I would buy a bunch of flowers, and there are 5 flowers in one bunch. How many flowers would there be in 4 bunches? So just like this, but 4 of them. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, and there are 5 flowers in each bunch. Okay, I'm not going to draw the beautiful bits on the top, but that's 1 bunch, 2 bunches, 3 bunches, 4 bunches. So if there's 5 in that bunch, 5 in that bunch, 5 in that bunch, and 5 in that bunch, I can also show the same thing. So there's a picture, but I can also use my counters. So if I had to do this with my counters, let's choose beautiful colors for the bunches. So we've got a white flower, and a green flower, and a red flower, and a blue flower, and how about a purple flower? How many flowers is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flowers, and this is a bunch. Okay, so that's 1 bunch of flowers. Then let's make another bunch. There need to be 5 in a bunch. Okay, let's choose our colors. There's my next bunch of flowers. Also 5 in a bunch. There we go. Here's my 3rd bunch. 1, 2, 3. How many bunches did the question ask for? 4. So let's make 1 more bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flowers in a bunch. There we go. Now I can put my counters away. So I've got 4 groups or 4 bunches of how many in each bunch? I've got 5 in each bunch. So 5, 5, 5, 5. Now the question wants to know how many flowers are there all together. So how many flowers are there in the 4 bunches? So what can I do? I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I've got 20 flowers. But is there a way that I could do it a little bit faster? Instead of counting in ones, what could I count in? There are 5 in each bunch, so we can count in 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. There, I got my answer a little bit faster than counting in ones. And what I can do is 5, so I've got 5 in that bunch, and I'm plussing another 5, plus another 5, plus my last 5. So 5, 10, 15, that gives me 20. I'm going to write it here. Perfect. Is there another way that we can write this repeated addition? Remember, repeated addition, like I showed you in our other maths lesson last week, is when you plus the same number over and over again. So last week I taught you that repeated addition is actually the same as, I hope you said it, multiplication. So instead of saying 5 plus 5 plus plus 5 plus 5, I can say I've got how many groups? 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 4 groups of, how many in each group? 4 groups of 5. And what do I put in between? A multiplication sign, a times sign. 4 times 5 equals 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. 4 groups of 5. So I've got 20 flowers altogether. What happens if I have 7 groups of 5? So how many groups do I need? 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 7. So I need to make some more groups. There's another group of 5. Okay, use your counters to help you, or use your fingers to help you. 3, 4, 5. So you can use whatever you have at home. If you've got Lego, or if you've got bottle tops, or those little bread tags that help to keep the loaves of bread closed. Anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I said 7 groups. I think. So there we go. Okay, let's spread them out so you can see. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups now. So once again, how many would that be altogether? Instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 all the way, that will take a really long time. I can count in 5s because I've got groups of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And how can I write that? There are 2 ways to write that. I can either use my repeated addition sum, where I would say 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sure, look at this long sum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups of 5. That's quite a long sum. But instead of doing that long sum, how many groups of 5 do I have? I've got 7 groups of 5. So that's the other way I could write it. 7 times 5. And it's the same answer. 35. Right. I want you to count with me. We're going to click, warm up those fingers. We're going to count in 5s until 60. At 60, I'm going to say stop. Okay, let's go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. It's very important for you to know your counting. Last week we did the 2 times table. Remember, the 2 times table is the same as doubling. So that is when you have groups of 2. Okay? Now we're doing the groups of 5. So it's very important to know your counting. You can also use your fingers. So if I say to you, I've got 6 groups of 5, that means I've got 5 flowers in every bunch, and I've got 6 bunches this time. So if you count in 5s until your 6th finger, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. If I've got 3 groups of 5, 5, 10, 15. If I've got 1 group of 5, there would be 5. Okay, so that's very important for you to understand and remember. So this can help you in your word sums, this can help you when you are doing calculations and counting, and it helps you in everyday life. It helps you when you're baking in the kitchen to work out things. And so times tables are really, really important, and you'll carry them through until you are an adult. There are lots of worksheets for you to do on your timesing, so please have a look on the emails that were sent and do all of your times table worksheets beautifully. Don't forget, you can use your reference file for counting, you can use your fingers, and you can also use counters or anything you've got at home to help you. See you next time. Miss you lots. Bye.